Welcome to the Image Prograph Direct Print and Share classroom. Registering a printer. Click the printer icon towards the top right portion of the screen. The Printer to Use dialog box will be displayed. Click on the Add button. The Add Printer dialog box will be displayed. Select the printer you want to add from the Installed Printers list and click the OK button. The printer will then be added to the printer menu. Click the Add button in the main window. Select the file you wish to print and click Open. The file will be added to the registered file list. You can also drag and drop files into this window, or right-click on the file itself and select Send to Image Prograph Direct Print and Share for hot folder capabilities. Select the file you wish to print from the registered file list. A preview of that file will be displayed in the preview area. If you select Layout in the preview, you can preview exactly what the file would look like on the paper roll. Configure settings such as paper source and print quality as needed in the printer settings area on the right side of the main window. By clicking the Advanced button located at the bottom right of the window, you may configure the print job using the traditional print driver properties. Enter the number of copies for each file you'd like to print, then click Print. This allows you to batch print multiple PDFs. In order to be able to download from or upload to the cloud storage, you'll need to create an account through Google Drive. Check that you're able to log into the cloud service using your web browser and the Google account you've created. Click the Cloud Service Integration button in the main window. The Cloud Service Integration dialog box will be displayed. Click the Login button. The Cloud Login dialog box is displayed. Enter the account login ID and password that you've created for the cloud service and click the OK button. Once you're logged in, the Login button will be changed to a Log Out button with your ID displayed next to that button. If you intend to upload a file for the purpose of sharing with other users, check the Share Settings when uploading checkbox. Check the Upload checkbox for the files you wish to upload and proceed by clicking the Upload button. If the Share Settings when uploading checkbox is checked, the Share Settings dialog box will be displayed. Here you can register users with whom you wish to share file uploads to the Share User list. Check the Download checkbox for the file you would like to download from cloud storage. Click the Download button. The Download dialog box will be displayed and your downloads will begin. When the download is completed, the file that you've downloaded will be added to the registered file list. The downloaded files can now be printed from the main window. This concludes the Image Prograph Direct Print and Share classroom. For more classroom sessions, please visit the Canon YouTube channel within your region.